coolest gadgets for men that are worth buying. Hello and welcome to Tech Biggest YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Technology advancements have given us more control over the duties we face on a daily basis. As a result, there are one-of-a-kind devices for practically any requirement. We'll cover everything from earphones to beard trimmers. So, in this video, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best gadgets for men that will streamline your daily routine and relieve tension after a long day. Let's get started now, without further ado. Number 1. Gear Gadget Wallet 3.0. Keep your personal belongings and important cards safe with the Gear Gadget Wallet 3.0, a unique and customizable wallet that offers a ton of functionalities. It has an advanced modular, subcompact, and expandable design that allows you to build it according to your own preferences by personalizing and modifying its appearance, features, and functionalities. So if you are looking for a highly customizable wallet for everyday carry, then the Gear Gadget Wallet 3.0. Number 2. Lenovo XT91 Earbuds. Enjoy low-latency audio performance with the Lenovo XT91, a pair of true wireless earbuds that will give you a comfortable fit so that you can listen to your favorite tunes for hours on end. The silicone ear tips provide a secure fit with minimal audio bleeding and come in 3 sizes to accommodate different ear types. All in all, the Lenovo XT91 is a spectacular pair of earbuds that will give you a comfortable fit and great low-latency playback. Number 3. Key Organizer, OrbitKey Leather Key Organizer. With the OrbitKey Leather Key Organizer, you can stay organized and clutter-free by stacking all of your vital keys. It has been designed to accommodate up to 7 keys while remaining small. It will also protect your valuables from key scratches if you keep it in your bag or pocket. This key organizer is both attractive and useful, thanks to its mix of handcrafted leather and a stainless steel locking mechanism. The locking mechanism prevents your keys from coming undone over time and allows you to alter the tightness with which they are stacked. To summarize, the OrbitKey turns your jumble of keys into a nicely arranged stack, allowing you to find the proper key fast and easily. Number 4. Massage Gun, OrbitKey Next Pro Massage Gun. After an exhausting day or a tiring workout, release your muscle tension with the OrbitKey Next Pro, a compact massage gun that will help eliminate your muscle stiffness. As our bodies require different stroke types at different angles, the 8 Pro attachments let you quickly exchange its head to find the right way to relieve your pain. Designed with aircraft-grade aluminum material, this massage gun weighs only 1.2 pounds and has a fiberglass handle that is extremely comfortable, and you can have a strong grip for a long time. Number 5. Watch, Atawak Ettore. Meet the Ettore, a stunning wristwatch from Atawak that is guaranteed to turn some heads. This watch features a striking design that includes a 4-arm wandering hour time display and curved glass for a stunning appearance. That brings us to the end of this video. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.